How to remove Google account from Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your Google account from your Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your settings on your mobile device, and once you're inside here, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is Google. So let me just quickly locate it. As you can see, I've located the Google services. So once you're inside here, now simply select this Google account which has appeared over at the top, and once you tap on it, it will basically show you all of the Google accounts currently logged into your account. Now simply tap on this manage account on this device at the bottom of your screen and simply tap on that. So once you tap on that, you should be seeing all of your account logged into your device currently. So let's say if I were to delete this or remove this account from over here, I'll simply tap on that particular Gmail address just like this and simply click on this remove account option over here, and finally click on remove. So removing this account will delete over all of its contacts, calendars and other data from this phone. So once you get that in mind, you can successfully remove the account from your mobile device. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.